Sorry. Sorry. Hello. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, depend on where you are watching me from. Can we start? Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? This is 1:30 p.m. here in Nigeria. Are you guys ready? If you are ready, I want you to wave me. Can we start? Hello. Okay, yeah. You are welcome to this class this afternoon. How are you guys? How are you doing? How is your day going over there? It's okay. Yeah, we'll be looking at world problems. I will take it all over again. So I know I gave you one or two assignments to take care of, but let me start it all over again. Is that clear? So if there's anything you are not clear with, please don't hesitate to ask me a question. Always type it in the comment section. Drop your question in the comment section. Is that clear? So that all of us will flow together. Hope you are seeing the board very well, clearly, right? It's okay. Yeah. So this afternoon, we'll be looking at word problems. You know, in mathematics, we always solve, two of us, but sometimes we need applications so that we'll transform it into mathematics. And mind you, anything you are doing, as long as mathematics is concerned, application is there every now and then. So in word problems, we'll be looking at three types in terms of operations. When do I mean by operations? When we say operations in mathematics, amen, operations, we are talking about plus, which is in word problem known as sum, or addition, amen. Then, hope you are seeing the board. Then, we'll be looking at minus, which implies difference as long as word problems is concerned, or subtraction. Sometimes it is known as subtraction. And last but not the least, we'll be looking at products, which is what? Times. Amen? Products. Okay? Which is the same thing as multiplication, which you know very well. I want us to have this knowledge before we move further to consider word problem. Is that clear? Do you have any question? Okay. So far, so good. So now, look at it. We'll start with sum. Is that clear? We'll be looking at sum. After sum, we'll consider difference. After difference, we consider what? Products. But there are, in some cases, you will see both of them will combine together. Is that clear? So I will break it down for you to understand. So let's move further to consider addition. Is that clear? Under word problems. Is okay. So let's start with addition, sum. Sum, all in brackets. This is the notation. Yeah. Assuming you are asked somewhere, somebody, let me say, they said, what is the sum of 5 and 4? Amen. So whenever you see questions like this, always remember that these questions are under what? Word problem. How are you going to identify that it is under word problem? Look at it. What is there? This is sum. And sum means what? Addition. You have to add this to this. Then the result is the sum of what? 5 and 4. So now they say, what is the sum of 5 and 4? It means the sum of 5 and 4. We now write solution. Amen. Are you following? We now write solution. It means sum, which we know that it is known as what? Plus. True of us. So if they are asking you what is the sum of 5 and 4, it means you have to add 5 into 4. That is what it means. Is that clear? Hope you are following. So the sum of 5 and 4 is now 5 plus 4, which is equals to what? If you add this to this or add this to this, will give you what? 9, right? Just like let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 5. Then let's count another one. 4. Let's count 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? So we have to add this to this. So if we add it up, let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this will give us what? 9. It means 5 plus 4 is 9. Do you understand? Any question, please? Do you have any question that you want to ask before we proceed further? I'm waiting for your question. Any question? Any question? No question? Yes or no? No question? No. It's okay. So you mean we can proceed, right? It's okay. So let's proceed. So now, let me bring some questions from the textbook. Are you done copying? You have a question? Excuse me? Yeah. Oh, the operation of division is, yeah, somebody is trying to ask question. The operation is this now. This is division. Division. Or, you know, sometimes it is, sometimes people use it this way. Either this or this. Yeah, thank you for that question. Yeah, it's okay. That is the operation of division. Either it is denoted this way or this. Take note. Thank you. Can we continue? Okay. So if you say we should continue, no problem. Let's continue. Thank you. Yeah. Hope you are seeing the board clearly. Are you seeing the board clearly? It's okay. So let's move further to solve examples, series of examples. Mind you, we are under sum. So let's consider some problems here. Yeah. What is the sum of 7 eighths? Okay. Another question, example. Amen. Example. What is the sum? What is the sum of 7, 5, sorry, 5 and 10. 5 and 10 is okay. Amen. Amen. So now we want to look at this question. So whenever you see questions of this form, note that this question is coming from where? Word problems. Is that clear? So the first thing you should identify is the operation. What is the operation? The operation stated there is what? Sum. And sum means what? Addition. True or false? So this implies that if we want to interpret this word problem mathematically, we now write solution first. Solution, it means our sum, which you and I know that is this. True or false? So this is equals to, amen? They are saying the sum of what? 7. You know, 7 is spelled this way. This is 7. This is 7. 7 is in word. True or false? So we write 7 in figure. Then 5. Sorry, this is 5. 5 is in word. We write 5 in figure. Can you see now? Then 10 is in what? Word. Can you see now? We write 10 in word. In figure, sorry. So you can now see that the sum of 7, which is this, 5, this, and 10, will now be equals to what? Since sum means addition, will now be equals to 7 plus 5 plus 10. Amen? Yeah. So you can now see that the answer will give us what? 22. Is this difficult? Is it difficult? Any question? Do you have any question? Please ask. If you have any question, please ask. If you have any question, please ask. Any question? Yes or no? No question? Please, do you have any question? Drop it in the comment section. No question? Can we proceed? Yes or no? Can we proceed? Yes. Right? It's okay. So let's proceed further to consider more examples so that you will know it more and more. Is that clear? It's okay. Yeah. So I can clean this, right? Okay. We are on examples. Okay. Let's move further to consider one example. Yeah. Here, they said the sum of 3 consecutive whole numbers is 108. Another example, the sum of 3 consecutive numbers consecutive whole numbers, anyone, whole numbers is 108. And the question says, find the numbers. Find the numbers. Amen. Yeah. But sometimes you may not just see find the number. Sometimes they say, what are the numbers? It's the same question. Is that clear? So don't get confused. Okay, so now here they said the sum of 3 consecutive numbers. First thing you should put in mind is the operation here. What is the operation here in this question? If you can see what I am saying on the board, the operation here is what? Plus, true or false, which is sum. So we write solution, sum. We are talking about sum, right? Which we know that sum means plus or addition. True or false? Okay. So now, we now move further. They say of 3 consecutive whole numbers. Amen? You know, when we say whole numbers, in the number line, let me just show you. This is okay. This is the origin. We have here is plus 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. But mind you, this is x-axis, right? I'm just trying to explain what whole number is all about. Is that clear? Because as time goes on, you are going to come across whole number in advance. Is that clear? So now, when you come up, when we say whole numbers, they are talking about what? The whole of this. Both the negative and what? A positive. It implies that it can be what? Positive. It can be what? Negative. So can you see now? So 3 consecutive whole numbers is what? Is 108. True or false? But sometimes you may see minus. Is that clear? It's also known as what? Whole number. Because here somebody can start writing from here, not necessarily 1. Somebody can say 100. Somebody can say 150. And this side to the same thing. Please take note. Is that clear? So if assuming they ask you to mention whole numbers, it means whole numbers you can start from either minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, Is that clear? Take note. Are you following? Please take note, because you will meet it in advanced level. Is that clear? It's okay. So let's proceed further. Okay, so far so good. Yeah. So as you can see now, we have three consecutive whole numbers. I have explained what whole number is all about. So let me come to explain three consecutive numbers. You know, the numbers are what? Unknown, true or false. But let me start by explaining three consecutive numbers. When we say three consecutive numbers, let's use ourselves as what? Example. Or let us use days or months. Okay, you know that you senior somebody or someone senior you in a family, true or false? Then somebody, assuming in a family, you people are three, true or false? So can you see, okay, let us say, let's look at this hand. Which one is taller? This one is taller, true or false? Yes, this one is taller, true or false? Or let me look at it this way. Can you please get me pen, marker, different colors? Check inside there, different colors. Check inside this bag. Inside this bag. Okay, red. You will see red. Inside this bag. Yeah. Yeah. Sorry for the break in transmission. I want to explain this to your own understanding. No red marker. Okay, yeah. Give me. Help me. Thank you. Yeah. Can you see this pen? How many? We have 3 pens, different color, true or false? So now, let us assume that. Let's make it this way, true or false? And let us make it, set it this way. Can you see now? So as you can see now, we assume that this one is the senior, right? Then this one is the junior to this one. Then this one senior, this one. So this one is the junior to this and this, true or false? So it means if you want to look at it consecutively, can you see now? These 3 are what? Consecutive. Is that clear? These 3 are consecutive. How? It means 1 come before the what? The other. It's just a form of series. So let's look at, thank you. Let's look at days. You can now see that we have Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. True or false? It means as you are calling it, it is what? Going consecutively. Just like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can now see that our counting is going what? Consecutively. 1. After 1 is what? 2. After 2, 3. You know that after 2 is what? After 3 is 4, which you know, true or false? Is going what? Consecutively. So when they are talking of 3 consecutive numbers, always assume that as long as word problem is concerned, the number is what? Unknown. So how can we get that or those numbers? That is what we want to look at. So we now see, let the number be x. Can you see now? It means we have gotten what? One number. Is that clear? So now, they set 3 consecutive numbers. So it means we have gotten 1. Remaining what? 2 numbers. So it means, for the fact that you said let the number be x, mind you, not necessarily x. You can say be a. You can say b. You can say n. You can say n. Any alphabet. Is that clear? Please take note. Are you following? So now we said we are taking x, isn't it? So now you said the x. It means we have gotten one values. So it means if we want to get it consecutively, it means we are going to add 1 to this, then 1 to the other one to make it what? 3 numbers. So it means here will be, the next number will now be x plus 1, and the other number will now be x plus what? 2. So you can now see that it is going what? Consecutively. X, the other number x plus 1, the other number x plus what? 2. But supposing they said 4 consecutive numbers, take note, it will continue the same way, please. Is that clear? So if it is 4, assuming here is 4 consecutive numbers, assuming here is 4, it will go the same way. X plus 1, x plus 2 to x plus what? 3. Count the values 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you see now? Please take note. Is that clear? Because I will drop assignments like this for you to understand. It's okay. So we now see, let the number, I hope you are following. Any question? Let the number be x plus 1. Let me bring this one down. X plus 1. So now what we need to do is we have to come here, identify with the operation. The operation here, the sum of 3 consecutive whole numbers is, it means by the time you add these 3 consecutive numbers together, they give you what? 108. That is the meaning of this word problem. Is that clear? So it means since it's sum, so we have to add. So here we are going to add x plus 1, x plus 1, then plus, because the sum of 3, open bracket, x plus 2, whole numbers is what? When we say is, it means equals to 108. Amen? Are you following? Hope you understand it. Any question? Do you have any question that you want to ask to know more? Please, I will be very glad to answer your questions. If you have any question, ask. Okay. No question? So it means you are following, right? So we can proceed. Amen? It's okay. Yeah, life of mathematics is always beautiful with Mr. OC. It's okay. Okay. Yeah. So let's proceed. So now, don't be scared about these brackets. The reason for this bracket is, supposing here is difference. It means the negative sign must affect both what is inside the bracket. So that is why we are putting the bracket. But, excuse me, you have a question? Yeah. Yeah. Oh. How did I get 108? I love that. Okay, thank you. Let me explain to you. Look at the question here. The question says, the sum of 3 consecutive whole numbers is what? What are you seeing? Oh, you are not seeing it clearly. Let me write it boldly, please. 108. Can you see? So that is why this is equals to 108. They say find the numbers. Are you following? Do you understand? Can we continue? Yes or no? Okay? Do you have any question? It's okay. Thank you. Yeah. So now, what I hope I'm not rushing you guys. If I'm rushing you, please tell me to calm down. Is that clear? If I'm rushing too much, tell me. Just drop it in the comment section. Ask me to calm down. I will not rush you guys. It's okay. So now, here, okay, I want to explain why I leave these brackets. Okay, assuming here we have minus open bracket 2. Amen? You know that supposing this bracket is not here, supposing this bracket is not here, you know that your sum, your calculation is not complete. Why? Because this minus sign will only affect this x. But by right, it's supposed to affect x and what? 2. If you leave the bracket, if you don't put the bracket. But if you put the bracket this way, it means this sign affects both x and what? 2. So by the time you multiply, mind you, there is an invisible one here. So you are using this minus 1 to multiply this x. So minus 1 times x, we're going to give us minus x. Then minus times plus will always give you minus. So what do you have here? 2. So here will be minus 2. But supposing this bracket is not here, I want to show you the difference. Supposing you did not put the bracket, it means this is how it will look like. True or false? So can you see the difference between this and this? Are you seeing the difference? Can you see? So take notes. You know, sometimes student, you know the mathematics, but the problem is how to play with the operations. Minus, plus, subtract, multiplication. That is where the problem lies. So please always be careful. Is that clear? It's okay. So it's because of these operations. I just assume that what if there is minus here, there's minus here. So that is the essence of putting the brackets. And it's very important. It will do you good. So now, here we are going to write x. Note that there is an invisible one here. Use it to multiply x plus x. Multiply 1 plus 1. True or false? Because just like there is one that you are not seeing here. So we are using this one to open this bracket. 1 times x will give us x. Then 1 times plus 1 will give us plus 1. Then what we have here? Plus, right? Then the same thing. There is an invisible one here. 1 times x give us x. Then 1 times plus 2 going to give us plus 2. Then equals to 108. Can you see now? So now, what we need to do, they said we should find the numbers. So we are gradually looking for the numbers rather. So we have like terms here. We have x, x, x here. So it means we can add them together. We have 1, 2 here. It means we can add them together, true or false. So if whenever you see something of this one, x plus x plus x, this will going to give you what? 2x. I know you will ask, excuse me, have a question? Sorry. Yeah. I'm writing 3. I wrote 2. It's going to give us 3x. Why? Because we add x, 1x to this one, 2, to another one is 3. Okay, now let me prove to you how we got the 3x. Look at it. Bracket this. When you bracket it, look at it. You bracket it. Ask yourself, what is common inside this bracket? X is common, true or false? So it means by the time we factor out x here, this place will be 1. What do we have here? Plus. This place will be 1. What do we have here? Plus. This place will be 1. Can you see now? So you can now see that. What is here? 1 plus 1 plus 1 will give us x open bracket 3. Amen? So the way we use this one to multiply out this bracket, the same thing. There is 1x, which is x. Use it to multiply what is inside the bracket. You know, the problem with students is if you see something like this, this is the same thing as x times 3. Please take note. Is that clear? So it means this requires multiplication. So it means x times 3 will automatically give us what? 3x. Do you understand? Are you following? Are you following? Yes or no? Do you understand? Can we continue? Okay, yeah, I love that. It's okay. So if you understand what I'm trying to do here, it means you don't need a prophet to tell you, true of us. So it means we will take the same values to one side. This to one side. It means we are going to group it this way: x plus x plus x, then plus 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 equals to what? 108. Amen? Are you following? Yeah. So far, so good. So if we add this to this to this, we are going to have 3x. Then add 1 plus 2 is going to be what? 3, which is equals to 180. So now at this point, what we need is for us to collect like terms. Amen? So let us collect like terms. Collect like terms. Why are we collecting like terms? Or why do you want to collect like terms? One, because they said we should find the numbers. And when you look at it, there is unknown number here, which is what? X. So this is 3x. So it means we have 3 here, we have 108. So this plus 3 will cross this sign of equality to come and meet 108. So I want to open your eyes. Please look at the board very well. Can you see from here? Okay. Let me clean this up. Yeah, let me open your eyes. Please and please listen. Assuming we have x plus 2 equals to 3. If we are to collect like terms, amen, amen. If we are to collect like terms, this is x, variable, or parameter, true or false? Yeah. This is value, figure. So, it means we have to take this 2 to this side. But the operation in front of these 2 is what? Sum or addition. Plus, true or false? So, it means when this one crosses this sign of equality, it crosses together with this. Take note. So, if this one crosses this sign of equality, For the fact that here is plus, it means your left answer will now be x equals to 3 minus what? 2. Take note, very important. You know, some of you understand the mathematics, but you know, how to make use of the operation, that is where the problem lies. You find it difficult. Some of you want to say plus 2. You are wrong. It cannot be plus. Why? Because this place is plus. But supposing we have x minus 2 equals to 3. Amen? Then, if we want to collect lightness, it means this 1 minus 2 is going to meet 3. So for the fact that the operation here is minus, your x is going to be 3 plus 2. Do you understand? Can you now see the difference between this and this? Take note, because I want to do something. Please. Is that clear? So that you won't be asking unnecessary questions, even in class. Amen? Okay. Yeah. So, collect like terms. So, it means this plus 3 will cross the sign of equality to become minus 3. So, 108 minus what? 3. The right hand side. So, 3x equals to 108 minus 3. Are you following? Then, 108 minus 3 will give you what? 105, isn't it? It's going to give you what? 105, right? So here we are going to have 3x equals to 105. Yeah. They said, I want to clean the hub so that you see it clearly. They said we should find the number. So we are looking at the number. So how can we find this number? It's for us to divide through by the coefficient. Sorry for the break in transmission. Yeah, I'm back. Somebody was trying to call. That is why the network was breaking. I'm back. Sorry about the break in transmission. Hope you are following. The most important thing is to follow. It's okay. So can we continue now? Yes or no? Are you there? Can we continue? Yes or no? Favor. Timothy. Are you there? Can we continue? Okay. Yeah. It's okay. So, as I was saying, I said when we say, I'm trying to explain what coefficient is all about. If you are to identify the coefficient of x here, the coefficient of x here is 1. Because there is an invisible 1. By right, it's supposed to be 1x. But it is not necessary that you write the 1. So when we say coefficient of x is what? 1. Let's look at it in real life. When we say coefficient of a married couple, coefficient of the husband, we are referring to the wife. Likewise, coefficient of the wife, we are referring to the what? The husband. So please take note. Amen. It's okay. So assuming we have 3 here, what can you say about this? What is the coefficient of 3x? The coefficient of 3x is what? Is 3. Why? Because 3 is attached to what? X. Amen? Are you following? Okay. Then, assuming we have 1 all over 2 x, and you are asked to identify the coefficient of 1 all over 2x. It means is what? 1 all over 2. Please take note. Is that clear? Amen? Okay, so we can proceed, right? It's okay. So now we have to divide through by the coefficient of x, which is 3. Or since it can be identified as what? 3. So we divide through by 3. It's the same thing. We now say divide through by 3. So it means mathematically, it means this is 3x all over 3 equals to 105 all over 3. Can you see now? This and this will cancel. Will now give us the left hand side will be left. We are going to have x only equals to. Now go and press your calculator. 105 divide 3 will definitely give you what? 35. This is the number. But they say find the numbers. Amen. Find what? The numbers. So this implies that. I told you. This implies that we have to find the number consecutively. It means you don't need to find another number mathematically. With this, what you have gotten, they said find the 3 numbers. That is what it means. They said sum of 3 consecutive whole numbers is 108. So they said find the number. So how can we find the number? We know that 35. After 35 is what? 36, right? After 36 is what? 37. These are the numbers because it is what? Consecutively. 3 numbers. These are the 3 numbers. That is what it means. Amen? Do you understand? So the numbers are 35, 36, 37. But supposing here, they say 4 consecutive numbers, and at the end of the day, you have 35. It means it will still continue. It will continue. 35, 36, 37 to what? 38. Just try and sum it. What is the answer? It gives you back what? 108. Favor, do you have any question? Any question? Do you have any question? Yes or no? No question. So I want you to, let me give you 1 minute to look at the board to see if there is any question. Please, I'm giving you 1 minute. Any question? Yeah, do you have any question? No question? Favor? No question. Can we proceed? Look at the board. Okay, yeah. So that is the answer. You know, very soon we will exhaust our time. Very soon. I don't want to rush you guys. Okay, let's take another example. Let's take another example. Let's go ahead and take another example. Then we move to, okay. We have here, find the sum of 4 and 11. Example. Find the sum of 4 and 11. Favor, I want you to tell me this answer. You don't need to write, carry pen and solve, three of us, with what I have explained so far. Favor, type the answer. Favor, type the answer. They said find the sum of 4 and what? 11. Before we begin to solve, please, I want you to type the answer. You don't need to solve. You got it? Yeah, you got it. Please clap for yourself. I love you. Yeah, that's right. Already you know sum. Sum means what? Addition, right? So it means 4 plus what? 11. And you're going to have 15. Please clap for yourself once again. I know I'm not seeing you, but I have to compliment you. Thank you for encouraging me. You are good. Okay. So let's consider another one. Find the sum of 63, 65, and 54. Another example. Find the sum of 52, 63, and 65. Yeah. I want you to sum this. Tell me the answer. What is the answer? What is the answer, Favor? You are still solving. Add it up. Okay. Oh. That is gospel. Okay, gospel. You are also there. I've been calling only Favor. Okay, you are welcome. It's okay. So gospel, you got it? What is the answer? Okay, so let's do it together. Anyway, we are learning sum, open bracket plus, which is equal, so we have to add this, and this. Amen? So here will be 52 plus 63 plus 65. True of false? It's okay. So let's add it up. If you want to add, just let's do it this way. Go back to our primary session to do it this way. Amen. Okay. Yeah. Let's add this. 2 plus 3. 5, right? Plus 5, 10. Carry 1. To 5, 6. 6 plus 6, 12. Plus 6, 18, right? Amen. So we write 18 here. So it means this answer is equal. It's okay. So I think this is how far we can go. Yeah. We are going to stop here, but it will make sense if you go home with 1 or 2 exercises, so that on Saturday or Thursday we will now do correction. It's okay. But before I go, let me just do another example again, because it's going to be fraction, this example. Find the sum of example. Find the sum of 5 all over 8, 7 all over 20, and 1 all over 40. Yeah, this is a good example that I want to look at. Find the sum. Sorry. No, sometimes the brain come faster than the arm, or the hand come faster than the brain. Sorry. Okay, so what we need to do, we have to add this, and this up. That is just the meaning. So the sum will now be equals to 5 all over 8 plus 7 all over 20 plus 1 all over 40. This is how far we can go. So when you come across arithmetic of this form or sum like this, what you first think of? LCM. This means that what is that number that can divide 8, 20, 40 without a remainder? You don't need a prophet to tell you. When you look at this one is the highest number among these 3. True or false? When you look at this can divide itself without a remainder. True or false? This can also divide itself without a remainder. True or false? 40 can divide this without a remainder. Also 40 can divide 8 without a remainder. True or false? So the LCM of this, and this is going to be what? 40. True or false? So you come up this, let's come up, let us come up. It's okay. Come up here to say 40, right? Then you write 40. 40 divided 8 is going to give us 5, true or false? Then 5 times what is there? 5 is going to be, okay, let me just break it down. It means 5, open bracket 5, that is 40 divided 8, 5. Look at the 5, existing 5 here. Then what we have here? Plus 40 divided 20 is 2, right? What do we have here? 7. So we write 2, open bracket 7, close the bracket. Then 40 divided 40, 1. What do you have here? Plus. So plus 1, open bracket 1. Can you see now? So what we need to do here is, what is there? Use it to multiply what is inside the bracket. 5 times 5, 25. What do we have here? Plus, right? Plus 2 times 7 is what? 14, right? 14. Amen. What do we have here? Plus 1 times 1 is 1. Then all over the LCM, which is what? 40. Amen. Then equals to, let us add this up. 1 plus 14, 15. Then 15 plus 25 will give us what? 40, right? So here will be 40. What is here? All over 40. It means the answer is 40 divided 40 is going to be what? 1. Do you understand? Any question? Because I want to drop assignments. You are going to submit it on Thursday or Saturday. Please, do you have any question? Any question? Yes or no? Because I want to start primary. I want to start with primary 5. Now, no question. So it means I can drop assignment with you, right? Yes or no? Are you ready to take the assignment? Yes, right? Okay. So let me clean. Then you go with this assignment. You go with this assignment. Okay. Yeah. Find the sum of 935 and 275. Assignment. Find the sum of 935 and 275. This is 1. Then 2. Yeah, let me test you with this. Find the sum of minus 9. Okay, minus 4 and minus 2. I think this one will be okay. So I want you to write it down. When you are done, let me know so that I will continue with primary 5. Are you done? If you are done, let me know, please. You are still writing. So I want to welcome Primary 5, Favor Gospel. Gospel Layer. Your name sounds very funny and friendly. Gospel Layer. The Gospel Layer. Gospel Layer, you are done, right? Favor, are you still copying? Or you are also done? So that we start with Primary 5. Favor, are you done? I want to clean the board so that I can start with Primary 5. Favor, if you are done, let me know. I'll be grateful. Oh, you are done. It's okay. Yeah. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you for your time and your patience. I wish you all the best. I will do my possible best to make sure you become guru in mathematics. Amen. It's okay. Let's welcome Primary 5. What's the name? You are welcome. Primary 5. You are welcome. How was your day? And how are you doing over there? Hope you are good. Okay. Yeah, Primary 5. Can we continue? We can continue, right? We'll be talking about whole numbers. I want to take it all over again. I discovered that that day was a bit hurry. But let me start all over. You are my children. Amen. So because I want you to know this mathematics. Is that clear? Okay. Primary 5. What is your name? So that I will be communicating by calling your name. What is the name? You are typing. What is the name? It's okay. You are welcome. Primary 5. Mathematics, right? It's okay. The topic will be looking at whole numbers. Whole numbers. The subtopic is oh, victory. Timothy, you are welcome. It's okay. The subtopic is counting in thousands. Okay, sorry, lesson 1. Idea of thousands. That is lesson 1. Counting in thousands. and millions. Yeah, that is, we'll be looking at lesson 1. What is lesson 1 all about? It said idea of thousands. So it means we'll be dealing with idea of thousands. We'll be dealing with thousands. Amen. Yeah. Okay. Victory, you are welcome. It's okay. Can we start properly? Okay, it's okay. So now, there are many ways. Since we are the idea of what thousands, we will start from 1,000. Then we continue like that. Is that clear? So our first example, we'll be looking at 1,000. That is 1,000 naira. Yeah, I know you are over there. You are talking about dollars and the rest, two of us. But in Nigeria, here we are talking about naira. It's okay. That is not our basic topic. I'm just trying to. It's okay. So, no. There are so many ways we can express 1,000. Two of us. Let us write 1,000 in this way. How will you identify that this is 1,000? Only if the zeros are what? 3. Take notes. Since we are dealing with what? Thousands. How many zeros do we have? 1, 2, 3. It means that what is here? 1. So it means this is in what? This implies that 1,000. Are you following? Do you understand? In what? This means 1,000 because of what? So now, what if we now have 2000? What is the meaning of this? Victory. What is the meaning of this? This means what? 2,000. Because we have 2 here. So in what? We can write this in this form. 2,000. Amen? Amen. Okay. Then, assuming we have this 300, this means what? Victory. Can you write it in the comment section to know that you are following? Yeah, this one. I want this one. This one. I don't want to mention it. This one. 3,000. Please clap for yourself. $3,000. Yeah. Clap for yourself. That's nice. It means, this means 3,000. Amen? Okay, yeah. So it means we can identify 1,000, 2,000, 3,000. Then, what is this? Victory. What is this? I want you to write it so that I want to carry you along. This is what? Write it in the comment section. 4,000, right? Please clap for yourself. Nice one. This is 4,000, right? It's okay. I think a zombie be a barman near Bar is okay. Yeah, 4,000, right? Is okay. Then what is this? What is this? I want you to write this on the board. What is this? This is 5,000, right? You are right. It's okay. 5,000. It's okay. So now let us go ahead to express 1,000 in different ways. Is that clear? Victory. Is that clear? Victory. Hope you are following. It's okay. So far, so good. Let's proceed. Let's proceed. It means we can write this 1,000 in different ways. 1,000 is the same as 400 plus 300 plus 200 plus 100, true or false? 1,000, we can express 1,000 in this form too. How? By the time you add this, and this, it's going to give you back 1,000, true or false? Look at it. If you add this to this, let's do it this way. If you add this to this will give us 700. True or false? Victory. True, right? Then, if you add this to this 200 plus 100 will going to give us what? 300, right? So now let us add this. Let us add this. 700 plus 300 will now give us back what? 1,000. So it means it means if somebody writes something like this, at anywhere, anytime, what you need to do, you have to sum it up or add it up. Then tell the person the answer. Is that clear? Although we are just learning how to recognize or get to know 1,000. That is what it means. Because it's from 100 that you just be moving gradually to what? 1,000. You can now see that this is 400, this is 300, this is 200, and this is what? 100. So by the time you sum them up, you are going to have what? 1,000. Do you have any question, Victory? Any question? No question? Yeah, it means we can still rewrite 1,000 in another way. Let's proceed. So in case in class they ask you to express 1,000 in different form, you can approach it this way and it will help you. But there are other forms that we can still rewrite 1,000. 1000 is also the same thing as 500 plus 500. It will give you 1000. True or false? Victory. Because if you add 500 to 500, it's going to give you what? 1000. True or false? It's true, right? It's okay. That we still have other form or other ways that we can write 1000. Let's say 800 plus 200. Amen. Victory is true, right? Okay. So let's proceed, right? So 800 plus 200 will definitely give us 1000. True or false? It's okay. Thank you, Victory. I'm seeing your comments. You are following. I love that. It's okay. So, in case you are asked to express 1000 in different form, at least I've shown you 1, 2, 3. You can still go ahead and think of values. You can think of values. It's okay. So, okay, let's still proceed further to get some. Okay. I can write 700 plus 400 plus 100. Sorry. I'm writing 200 plus 100. Right? Yeah. So this is another way of expressing 1000. Any question, please? If you have any question, ask. So let's move further to consider some examples here. I have some examples here. Exercises, sorry. You know, I don't solve examples. I solve exercises with you so that you understand it better. It's okay. So let's consider some exercises here. Can I clean this? Victory. Should I clean? Or you are still copying? Should I clean? Yes or no? Yes or no? I want to clean the board. It's okay. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Yes. They said complete the following. Example. Complete. Hope you are seeing the board clearly. Complete the following. We have 1000 equals to 300 plus 200 plus 100. 300 plus 200 plus 100 plus dash. Then 1000 equals to 200 plus 100, 200 plus 100 plus dash, and 3. 1000 equals to 400 plus, yeah. So these are exercises, okay? These are exercises. Then 4 dash equals to 300 plus 200 plus 200 plus 100 plus 200. Hope you are seeing the board clearly. Okay, so far so good. So let's start by solving or attempting number 1. Let us start from 1. Now write solution. It's okay. So question 1. 1000 is equals to 300 plus 200 plus 100 plus this dash means what is missing. We can now see that if we add 300 to 200, we are going to have 500, two of us. Then by the time we add 100 to 500, we'll have 600, which is not up to what? 1000, two of us. So what is that is missing? You say what? No, not 5. Is 4, right? 400, right? Yeah. So by the time we add 400, we are going to have what? 1000. Can you see now? It's okay. So let's consider 2. 2. 1000 is equals to 400 plus something. Oh, sorry. I'm doing 3. Sorry, I was writing this. Okay, 200 plus 100 what is missing there? 200 plus 100, something is missing there. Victory, Timothy. Victory, Timothy. What is missing there? Add 200 plus 100, something is missing. Are we together? Victory, are we together? Victory, are you there? Hope you are here with me. It's okay. So far, so good. So here, something is missing. 200 plus 100. We are going to have 300. Then what can we add to 300? Then it will give us 1000. It's 700. 700. True or false? Victory. Then this 3. 1000 equals to 400 plus something is missing here. 400 plus what is missing? Something is missing here. 400. What is missing? Victory. Victory, what is missing? It means 600 is missing here. True or false? So here we now will write 600. So 400 plus 600 will still give us back 1000. Then 4. It said equals to, let's add this, 300 plus 200, 500, plus 200, 700, plus 100, 800, plus 200 is 1000. So 1000 was missing. So 300 plus 200 plus 200 plus 100 plus 200. That is that. Do you have question? Any question? Please ask. If you have any question, ask. Do you have any question? Any question? Victory. Do you have any question? Please ask your question. Any question? I expect you to ask question so that we can proceed. Are you following? Can we proceed, please? Victory. Can we proceed? Yes or no, please? Can we proceed? Victory, are you there? I'm not seeing you again. Can we proceed? It's okay. Oh, you are back. Victory. You are back now, right? Can we continue? We can continue, right? It's okay. So as I was saying, let's look at this. You know, this one continues. So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Continuous. Gosh, it's okay. So it means here will be what? 120, right? 820. By the time we had 20 to this, here will be comma 820, right? Comma what? 840, right? Yeah. Comma 860, right? Am I right? Victory. Am I right? Then plus 880, right? 880, comma 900, comma this 920, right? 920, comma this 940, right? 940, comma this 960. Am I right? 960, 980. What is this? 980 up to what? 1000. Two of us. Victory, are you there? Are you following? You are not there. Are you there, Victory? Are you understanding? Okay. Any question, please? Victory. We are left with 20 minutes. I'm not seeing you in the comment section. Hope you are following. Are you following? Yes or no? It's okay. Let's proceed further to consider this. I want you to do this one. It will be left as it will be left as what? Exercise. And you are going to, yeah, and you are going to, here is 2, right? You are going to submit it either Thursday or Saturday. One of these days, you do this number 2. So let's proceed to lesson 2. Let's proceed to lesson 2. Amen. Any question? Victory. As our time will soon up. Any question? Can we proceed? Yes, no. Yes, right? It's okay. Let's proceed. Let us proceed to lesson 2. Lesson 2 is idea of 10,000. Amen. Lesson 2. I want to claim this. Lesson 2, talking about idea of 10,000. Lesson 2. Idea of 10,000. Okay. Yeah. Can we proceed? Victory. Okay. So let's lesson 1. We consider 1,000, two of us. Now we want to consider idea of what? 10,000. How can you identify 10,000? And how are you going to write to get 10,000 using figures? So let's proceed further to look at it together. Amen. It's okay. So, example, if we have 1, 0, 0, 0. This means how many zeros do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can now see that. Look at it here. Look at this. This is 10, right? How many zeros? You know, in our previous class lesson 1, we write 1. We now write how many zeros? 3. It means this one is the whole number. Amen. And we call this 1,000. So now look at this. We have how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4. But by the time we cycle this to make it an whole number, the whole number here is what? 10. So we can now call it 1,000. Why? Because we have how many zeros? 1, 2, 3. So it means this is what? 10,000. This is 10,000. So in words, we write it in this form. 10,000. True or false? It's true, right? Victory. Are you there? Hope you are there. Then, assuming we have this, how can we call this? First thing, the whole number is this, 15, true or false? So since we have how many zeros? 1, 2, 3. So it means we are going to call this 15,000. So here is in words, 15,000. Can you see now? Then look at this one again. 0, 0, 0. The whole number here is what? It's 20, right? Then how many zeros? Enjoy yourself. How many 0? 1, 2, 3. So this is known as what? 20,000. Victory, are you following? You are no more. You are following, right? You don't type again. Why? You should tell me whether you are following or not. Type it. Drop it in the comment section. Victory. Okay. So assuming you have, I just write instead of 20,000. 20,000. Sorry, just notice it. Then, yeah, the whole number here is what? 25. So now we can now call it what? 25,000 because of how many 0? 1, 2, 3. So 25,000. Amen. Victor, are you following? 25,000. It's okay. So let's continue the way we did the 1,000, how to express 10,000. So we want to look at that. So in case you come across figures of this form, first thing, identify the whole number. Then count how many values are zeros. If it is 30, it means we are talking about 1,000. So here will now be irrespective of the value that is here. The whole number is 25. So you now say 25,000. It's okay. Any question or no question? Do you have any question? Please. Any question? No question? So we can proceed, right? Victory. Can we proceed? Because anytime soon, our time will expire. Then I'll move to primary 3. It's okay. So, mathematics is not something that we rush. We cannot rush mathematics. If you rush mathematics, you implicate yourself. So we take it step by step, slowly, to help one another. It's okay. So far, so good. So let's look forward to consider some examples from the exercise here. They said complete the following. Example. Amen. Complete the following. That is 10,000 is equals to 4,000 plus 3,000 plus 1,000, and something is missing. 2,000 plus 1,000 plus something is missing equals to 10,000. 3. Okay. 8,000. 8,000 plus, 8,000 plus something is missing equals to 10,000. It's okay. So let's do it together. Victory. Hope you are seeing the board. Let us do it together. It's okay. So now we want to fill in this. I want to fill in this. We want to fill in this. We want to fill in this. So let's do it together, because anytime soon our time will expire. I'm left with 7 minutes. It's okay. So let's look at it together. Solution. Number 1. 10,000 equals to 4,000 plus 3,000 plus 1,000 plus what is missing here. Let's do it together. Something is missing here. Look at the board. Something is missing here. 1,000 plus 3,000, 4,000 plus 3,000 will give us what? 7,000, right? Plus 1,000, 8,000. So what do you think is missing? 2,000. True or false? So the answer here is 2,000. Then 2,000 plus 1,000 plus what is missing here? 2,000 plus 1,000, 3,000, right? Then what is missing? Please, Victory, I want you to write it in the comment section. Are you there? What is the answer? What is that figure that is missing? What is the figure that is missing? Please write it in the comment section. Are you there? Oh, you are not there. It's okay. So what is missing here is if you have 2,000 to 1,000, it will be 3,000, right? So 7,000 is missing, right? 7 then equals to 10,000. Am I right? And here 3. 8,000 plus something is missing here. What is missing? If you add 8,000 to that thing, it will give you what? 1,000. That is what it means. So 2,000 is missing, right? 2,000. This is equals to 10,000. Are you following? Victory, are you there? It's okay. So far, so good. That is that. Then we have they said write the following in words. Write the following in words. I think we are left with 4 minutes, but let us just manage this. But I'm going to give you homework. I'm going to give you homework assignment rather, so that we'll be looking at it together at home. I'm going to give you homework. Amen. It's okay. Okay. That they say write the following in words. Write in words. 1. $17,000 true. Okay. Yeah, please look at the board. So what we need to do, I'm going to do 1, 2, then you 2, then you do the remaining one, submit Thursday or Friday. It's okay. So now, as I was saying, here we have first thing, try to identify the whole number, the digit, 2, 3. It means it's going to be what? 17,500 and what? 4. It will be no more what? 17,000, because the zeros are not here. It's only 1 0 that we have here. You are saying only 1 0. The others are what? Values, figures. 5, 0, 4. So it means 17. Am I right? Am I right? 17,000. Hope I'm right, go. 17,500, right? 500 and 4. Oh, I'm missing the hundreds. No, mount 500 and what? 4, right? So can you see now? 17,504 is okay. Then the next, let's look at it. Identify the whole number 23634. Try and identify the whole number. The whole number here is what? 23, right? So here, how many digits? 1, 2, 3. So it means 23,634, right? So we now write 23,000, right? 23,000 600, right? 600 and 34, right? Am I right? Yeah. So victory, this is how you are going to write them in words. Yeah, I was able to do 1, 2, so the remaining 3 and 4 left as what? An assignment. So I want you to take note of these 3 and 4. What you need to do, just identify the whole number. You don't need a prophet to tell you. The whole number here is, I will not mention it. Also the whole number here, I will not mention it. So, any question? Do you have any question? Okay, so that is that. So let us welcome our primary 3. Primary 3, what is the name? Primary 3, what is the name? Primary 3, you are welcome. What is the name? We will start from where I will take it all over. Victory, are you done writing? I want to clean so that I move to primary 3 class. Primary 3. What is the name? Primary 3. Primary 3, what is your name? Primary 3, I want to welcome you. You are welcome to this class. Please. Amen. Primary 3, you are welcome. I think we'll be looking at Primary 3, are you there? Are you there, Primary 3? Yeah. We'll be looking at whole numbers up to 99, 999. Primary 3, are you there? Please, if you are there, write your name in the comment section. Okay, let's proceed. Whole numbers up to 999. Topic. Whole numbers up to 999 is okay. Yeah. Primary 3, are you there? Can we continue? We can continue, right? It's okay. So now, lesson 1, I want to do small revision on counting. Lesson 1. Revision on counting. Amen. Okay. Revision on counting. Is that clear? Yeah. So now it means when we say revision on counting, it means we want to know how to count. Assuming there are parked cars, how can we count to know the number of parked cars? Assuming there are houses, estates, how can we know the number of houses in that estate? So now, let's fix idea with A, B, C, or any values that can help us in counting. It's okay. So let me just write A, 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 and A. Yeah. Let's count. Now we have A. So we want to know how many A's are here. So let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and what? 8. It means the A's here is what? 8. True or false? Just like cars parked here. We just assume that all these ones are cars. So if you want to say how many cars? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 cars. But we are using what? A. Okay. Now, let us involve another color. Another color is B. Let's say this is house. So let us count the number of houses here, because they said revision on counting. That is lesson 1. So let's count. How many B's do we have here? Let's count to know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and what? 6. True or false? So this is equals to what? 6. Amen. Primary 3. What is the name? Are you following? Are you following? It's okay. So can you see now? Can you see now? Huh? Okay. So that is that. That is that. So now let us have it in this form. Assuming we have cars A. Then we have houses B. So now, how many number of items here? We have A, we have B. In A, that is cars, 1, 2, 3. 3 cars, 3 of us. Houses, 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you sum them together, it's going to be 7, right? 3 of us. Hope you are following. Primary 3. Are you following? Hope you are there. It's okay. So that is that. Okay? So now, do you have any question, please? Do you have any question that you want to ask? Is there any question? Primary 3. Do you have any question? Yes or no? No question? No question, right? Can we proceed? It's okay. Let's proceed. Let us proceed. It's all right. So far, so good. Let's proceed. Let us proceed. So now, assuming we have example, assuming we have A, B, 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 B. So let us count items. Number of items. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12. It means we have what? 12 items. Can you see now? So this is how to count, to know the total number of figures or items. Is that clear? It's okay. So let's move further to consider lesson 2. Or do you have any question that you want to ask? Primary 3. Do you have any question? Yes or no? No question? I'm waiting. Any question? No. It's okay. So it means we can proceed, right? Let's make progress. It's okay. So we can now move to lesson 2. Let's move to lesson 2. Lesson 2. Lesson 2. Amen. Counting numbers up to 99. 999, sorry. Counting numbers up to 999. But we are going to start from 501. Is that clear? Is that clear? So let's start from 501. 501. 501. After 501 is what? 502, right? after 502 is what? 503, right? 5 after 503 is what? 504. After 504 is what? 505. After 505 is what? 506. After 506, 507. After 507 is what? Primary 3. 508. After 508, 509. Right? Then after 509, 500 and what? 10. After 510 is what? 511. After 511, 512. 500 and what? 13. Hope you are following. Primary 3. 514. 515. 516. 517. Right? We are learning how to count up to 999. Any question? Do you have any question? Are you following? So let's follow me. Just follow me. Let's count. After 517, next is what? 518. Next is what? Let's just remove this. I'm just trying to demarcate it. Right? So that it will not come together. But it's okay. It's okay. What next? 519. 520. Am I right? 521, right? 522. Are you following? 523. What next? 524. Right? What next? 525. What next? 526. Right? What next? 527. What next? 528. Am I right? What next? 500, sorry, writing 500. 529. What next? 530. Amen. What next? 531. What next? 532. What next? 533. What next? 534. What next? 535. Amen. Look at the board, please. Hope you are following. Primary 3. You are following, right? Okay. So, what next? After 535, continue. 536, 537, 538, 539, right? Right? 500, after 539 is what? 540, Amen. Then 541, 542, 543, 544, right? 545. Am I right? What next? 546. What next? 547, right? What next? 548. What next? 549. Then 550, right? Are you following? Right? Then what next? 551, 552, 553, right? 554. Am I right? Hope you are following. What next? 555. What next? 556. What next? 557. What next? 558. What next? 559, right? Then what next? 560. Am I right? Primary 3. Hope you are following. Look at the board very well. Are you following? You are following what we are doing, right? You're understanding? Hope. So what next? What next? What next? 561, right? 562, 563, then 564, 565, 566, right? Hope you are following. Primary 3. 567, 568, right? 569, then 500 and what? 70. True or false? It's true, right? It's okay. Then 571, 572, 573, right? What next? 576, 577. Am I right? What, right? It's okay. So what next? 578, 579. What next? 580, right? 581, 81, 582, right? What next? 583, 584. What next? 585. What next? 586. 586. What next? 587. What next? 588. Then what next? 589. Then what next? 500 and what? 90. Am I right? Am I right? Then 591, 592, 593. What next? 594, right? What next? 595. Am I right? 596. 597. Am I right? 598. Primary 3. Am I right? 599. Then what next? Is 600, right? 600. So you continue from 600 to 999. Is that clear? Primary 3. You continue writing. That is your assignment. You are going to show it to me on Thursday or Saturday. Please continue writing. I want to see it. Is that clear? So that is that for lesson 2, counting numbers up to 999. So I've shown you how to count. So you continue counting till you get up to what? 999. Is that clear? Any question, please? Let me give you 1 minute to ask question. You have any question, please ask. I'll be very glad. We'll now move further to consider examples. Is that clear? We'll consider examples. So I want you to, from 600, write to 999. You are going to submit it through online. Is that clear? So, have you finished writing? You are still copying. You are still copying. Can I clean? I want to clean. I want to clean, then we consider, we fix idea with some examples. We fix idea with some examples. Should I clean? Yes or no? Please respond to me. I want to clean. Primary 3. Can I clean? Yes or no? Yes, right? It's okay. So, let me clean. Then we look at some examples. exercises. Okay, yeah, let's look at some examples. Let's look at some examples, right? They said complete the following. Complete the following. Example, complete the following. 1, 5, 62, dash, dash, 5, 65, right? Okay. Then, dash, dash, 5, 568. Then, dash, dash to 571. 2. X 180 dash, dash, 883, dash, 885, dash, amen, 887. Then 3. Hope you are following. 601 dash, 603, dash, dash, 606, dash, amen, 609. Okay, I think I'm going to do, okay, let me make it 4. I will do 2 examples, then the remaining one to be left as what? An exercise. It's okay. So let's 599, dash, 601, dash, dash, 604, then dash, comma 606. Yeah, taking the light. I hope you can still see. Still clear? It's okay. So far, so good. Hope I'm right. And comma, that's comma 608. Okay. So let's consider 1, 2. This is part of learning how to count. So far, so good. Right solution. Our 562. Something is missing here. Something is missing here. What is that thing that is missing? Is up to here. It means 562, 563, 564, and 565. True or false? So here will be what? 563. Here will be what? 564. Then here is 565, right? Comma here, something is missing to 568. True or false? It's true, right? So what is missing here is after 565, 568, 567 to 566, 567 to 568. True or false? It's true, right? So here will be 566, 567 to 568. Then something is missing to 571. So write it down here. So 568 will now be 569, right? 569, then 570, right? 570, then to what? 571, right? Primary 3. Are you following? Any question, please? Do you have any question? Yes or no? Look at the board. Hope you are seeing the board clearly. Do you have any question? Yes or no? Any question? Do you have any question? Any question? No question. So it means we can continue to look at number 2, right? Example number 2. The remaining ones will be left as what? An exercise. To be left as an exercise. So is that clear? So any question, please, if you have any question, ask. There is no question, I will continue to solve number 2. Then number 3 and 4 is your assignment. So you should write it down. You are going to submit it on Thursday, either Thursday or Saturday is very important. Okay. Can we continue? Okay, let's continue. It's okay. Since you are okay, it's okay. So let's continue to consider 2. Number 2. Yeah, 880. Something is missing here. Something is missing here before what? 883. True or false? So 880. What next? 881, right? Then what next before this? 882. Then 883. Are we right? We together? Then something is missing here before 885. So what next? Here is 884 before 885. 885, right? Then something is missing here before 887. So what is that is missing? Up NEPA. Something is missing here. What is that is missing? 886. Then 887. Any question, please, before we move further to consider? That is that for lesson 2. Do you have any question? Any question? That is that for lesson 2. Please, any question before we move to lesson 3? Any question? Primary 3. Do you have any question? Yes or no? No question. No question? It's okay. So if there is no question, I can clean the board. Then we move to lesson 3. Is that clear? We move to lesson 3. Right? No question, right? Okay, so let's proceed. Let us proceed to lesson 3. Please try and do 3 and 4 as an assignment, please. I can clean, right? Okay. Yeah. Let's consider lesson 3, counting in group of hundreds. Lesson 3, counting in group of hundreds. hundreds. Okay. So now, counting in group of hundreds involve adding hundreds at every count. Is that clear? So when we say counting in group of hundreds, it means counting, that is adding 100 at every time. Any count, 100, any count, 100, any count, 100. So let us fix idea with an example. It means we are counting in what? Hundreds. Is that clear? So now, let's say 100. So if we want to count consecutively, adding 100. So if you add 100 to 100, we'll give you what? 200. Can you see now? Add another 100 to 200, 300. So it means we are counting in what? Counting in what? 100. Right? We are adding 100. By the time you add 100 to 300, it will be 400. Add 100 to 400, 500. Add 500 to add 100 to 500, 600. Our counting is what? In hundreds. Add 100 to 600, 700. Add 700, 100 to 700, 800. Add 800 to 100 to 800, 900. Are you following? Are you following, please? Are you following? Hope you are following, right? I hope you are following. Any questions so far? Any questions so far? No question? Okay. So let's look at it this way. Let's consider more examples. Let us try and consider more examples. It's okay. We are counting in hundreds. So what if we now start from 162? We add 100 to 162. We're going to give you what? 262. True or false? We add 100 to 262. It's going to give you what? 362. We add 100 to 362. It's going to give you what? 462, right? If you add 100 to 462, it's going to give you what? 562. We add 562, 100 to 562, it's going to give you what? 662, right? As 100 to 662 will give you what? 762, right? Am I right? Then add 100 to 762, 862. Add 100 to 862 will give us 962, right? Yeah, true or false? Any question, please ask. We'll still fix more examples. Any question? Yes or no? Yes or no? Do you have any question? No question. It's okay. So it means we can proceed, right? Can we proceed? It's okay. All these ones are examples. Let's consider Another example from the textbook, that is exercise. They said count the following hundreds. Count the following hundreds. 120 dash comma dash to, that is 1, to 520 comma dash comma dash to 920 to 175 comma 275 comma dash comma 1 2 3 4 5 6 comma dash 1 2 3 4 5 6 comma 975 3, then 192 comma dash comma dash comma dash comma dash comma dash comma dash. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 comma dash comma 992. It's okay. So I think our time is fast spent. I'm going to do 1 2, then number 3 will be left as what? An assignment, exercise. So take note. So let's do it together. Any question? Do you have any question? No. So we can proceed, right? Oh, we are left with 4 minutes. It's okay. So let's make use of the 4 minutes that is left. Okay. So far, so good. So here, let's write solution. 120. Since we are counting in 100, so 100 plus 120 is 220 plus here is, sorry, oh, it's supposed to be 3. Yeah, supposed to be 3, sorry, comma, yeah, okay. So plus hundreds to 220 will give us what? 320 plus 100 to 320, 420, right? Then add 100 is going to give us 520. Am I right? Then add 100 to 520, 620. Add 100 to 620 will give us what? 720. Add 100 to 720 will give us 820, right? Then 100, that is 920. We are right. Any question? Primary 3, do you have any question? Then this 175 plus hundreds going to give us 275. Then plus hundreds going to give us what? 375 plus hundreds 475. Am I right? Plus hundreds 575. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, plus hundreds 675, plus hundreds 775, right? Plus hundreds is 875, plus 100, which is what? 975. So this is how to count up to 920 and 975. So the remaining count you are going to count up to 992. So I think our time is up. I want to thank you. Very grateful for your patience, for joining me in this class. Thank you. We see our next class is going to be either Thursday or Saturday in the morning. Is that clear? Either Thursday or Saturday. So I want to thank you for your time. But don't forget the assignment given to you. Make sure you do them. Submit on Thursday or Saturday. Thank you and God bless you. Love you all. Bye. Thank you. Yeah.